po ako sa birthday ni Kuya Sol. Hello mga kabesh! Siyempre with my family. Ayan sila. Ayan sila with my family. And of course, Ating Yoli. Andito po kami ngayon. Hi baby! Ina.
Tell her I'm sorry. Tell her I need my baby. Whoa, won't you tell her that beautiful girl walk out of me? Tell her I'm sorry. Tell her I need my baby. Whoa, won't you tell her that I love her?
Ano mo ba tatahimikin? Isang pusong iyakin, ano mo ba tatahanin kapag tatampuin din? Salamat at may awit na kakantahin. Sa mga hindayo, tayo'y napamasayaw. At sa labis na galakay na
Yan. Happy birthday.
was made for the end.
Ay! Nandiyan pala kayo. Mas... Hi, Kuya.
Vlog niya, madama.
Hi. Hello!
Hello po.
Ating Let. Araw talagang nagdalaga na.